My name is Jeremy Ebertowski.
My name is Jolene Loxo.
Gary McCollum.
My name is John Salmons. I'm with ServiceOne. I would describe ServiceOne as we are their home improvement solution or home repair solution. Whether they have a plumbing issue, heating, air conditioning, electrical, or an appliance repair issue, we can help them whether their equipment's new or old.
Before CompanyCam, we'd have all these pictures coming in. The issue was, how do you organize them? How do you take those pictures and group them by customer's location versus just, here's this big chunk and you're trying to sort through emails.
CompanyCam to us is a business tool that helps all of our teams be involved with the same job without really having any knowledge of the job.
CompanyCam is very user-friendly. It's very visual. You can see exactly what the tech is talking about or the comfort advisor when they send a picture.
They're pictures. So the information is what it is. No one can really go in and change a picture of a data plate or pictures of sizes of filters or the size of a belt. They're there. It just kind of makes that flow a lot easier, a lot better, less mistakes.
It's simplified the communication with others in the office. When you give somebody a visual picture of what you want, it's easy for them to understand.
Our technicians are using it every job.
It's a no-brainer. It's an easy way to get pictures back organized. It's easily shareable with other customers.
We like the fact that our whole team can visualize what we see in the field. It's documented evidence of what you need on the job, so it just works. Simple.
I think any time that you can find a product like CompanyCam that can save your employees time and give benefit to your customers that we do, I think you could recommend it to anyone.